If you're looking to integrate ShopWired with various marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to easily use ShopWired for marketplace integrations, and stick around till the end because I'll also share some alternatives that might work better for your goals. Let's jump straight into it. First, setting up marketplace integrations on ShopWired starts with getting your ShopWired store connected to the marketplace you want. For example, when you're connecting to Amazon, you'll need to configure the API settings. It's a simple process, but one thing that could trip you up is the API keys. These are crucial for the integration to work smoothly. Keep them handy and ensure they're correctly entered to avoid errors. Next thing, ShopWired makes it easy to sync your products with the marketplaces. You can import your product listings directly from your ShopWired store to marketplaces like eBay and Amazon. The synchronization is relatively seamless, but be aware of the limitations. While it's an efficient process, some product variations might not transfer exactly as they appear in your store, so always double-check your listings after the sync. The third thing to consider is how orders come through. Once your integration is complete, ShopWired allows you to manage orders from all the connected marketplaces within its dashboard. This centralizes your sales data, which can save a ton of time. However, one downside to this is the system can sometimes struggle with syncing inventory levels across multiple platforms in real time. It's something you'll need to monitor carefully if you're selling across various marketplaces to avoid overselling. Now, the fourth thing, ShopWired supports multi-currency, which is great if you're selling internationally. But this feature isn't as robust as it could be when compared to some competitors. For instance, it doesn't offer the same level of localized options or multi-language support that some other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce provide. If you're targeting global customers, this is a point to keep in mind. The fifth thing is pricing and fees. While ShopWired's marketplace integrations are affordable compared to some other solutions, they do have certain transaction fees that can add up over time. It's important to factor in these costs when choosing ShopWired for your marketplace integrations, as it could be more cost-effective to go with an alternative if you plan on scaling up quickly. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While ShopWired is a solid platform for marketplace integrations, it doesn't always shine when it comes to flexibility and advanced features. For those looking for a platform that can handle larger product inventories, better integration management, and more extensive marketplace options, I recommend considering Shopify or BigCommerce. They offer better support for multi-channel selling, especially if you're dealing with high volumes of orders and products. Both platforms provide easy-to-use integrations with marketplaces, advanced inventory management, and stronger multi-currency features. You'll also get access to better customer support and more robust tools for scaling your business, but the trade-off is higher costs. However, through the link in the description, we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for Shopify and BigCommerce, which gives you the chance to explore these alternatives risk-free. So, while ShopWired is a great option for those starting out or with smaller businesses, if you're serious about growing your online presence across multiple marketplaces, I'd recommend checking out Shopify or BigCommerce. Both come with excellent free trials, giving you the flexibility to test them out and see which platform fits your needs best. If you're interested, click the link below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on these amazing alternatives that might take your marketplace integrations to the next level.